Hey guys, don't worry. I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c: and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c: and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c: /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c: and hit enter. Now type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.